Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8 in Detonator Yellow on Dark Slate Grey interior. So we'll just start over at the back here. I'll let you have a look. So nice size trunk on this one. It's got the kicker subwoofer that's installed here on the side. Nice size trunk, as you can see. We've had it dynoed, so there's the result from the dyno. So that's 455 horsepower at the rear wheel, which is tons. So stock, it's 425 at the crank. So quite an increase there. And I'll just pull this up. We'll have a look. We've got the tire inflation kit. We've got the tuner and some other miscellaneous goodies. And then we've got the battery over here. So we'll just go ahead. We'll close that. Have a look in the seams on this car. As you can see, it's extremely clean. And we'll just go ahead and close this up, and I'll step back, let you have a look from back here. So it's got the nice black spoiler on the back that looks great in the matte black with the SRT logo on the side. And then we've got the nice dual Mopar exhaust there with chrome tips. So we'll just slide around the side here. It's got the nice matte black striping that goes along. And then we've got Lexani wheels in great shape, as you can see. We've got the nice Brembo red calipers and great looking brakes. So we'll just slide over here. Here's your passenger side door. So you've got the Alcantara insert on the door. We've got a carbon look on the handle. We've got the leather insert with the baseball stitching underneath. And then you've got your power windows and power locks with your chrome handle. So have a look, nice and clean. Here's your passenger seat. I'll just scan along that so you can see the condition. It's got the nice Alcantara insert with the leather side bolsters with the baseball stitching, and then we've got the yellow insert there and the SRT logo embroidered into the seat. So we'll just move this forward, let you have a look in the back seat. So same thing there, you've got the two yellow inserts, looks great. So we'll just close this up. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's check out the glove box. So no books with this one. So, and on the dash, we've got the nice Challenger SRT logo there. And have a look at the rest of the dash while we're in on this side. Looks great. So let's hop out. We'll close this side up. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you. Great looking car. Nice deep tinted glass. Love the stripe. So here's your front wheel. As you can see, it's in great shape as well. Nice red calipers. Looks great. So here we are under the hood. So here's the 6.1 liter V8 Hemi engine. As I said, stock, it makes 425 horsepower to the crank, but with the upgraded ProCharger, and it's got a, let's just zoom in here for a second, a P1SC1 ProCharger installed. So it is pumping 455 horsepower to the rear wheel of the car now. And as you can see, it's been well loved. There's lots of additions. We've got all these chrome pieces that have been added to the car. Just looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. We'll have a look from the front. So again, it's got nice black striping on the hood as well. It's in great shape, as you can see. It's got the two side vents there. And then we've got the nice projector style HID headlights. We've got fog lights down below. We've got the front lip, and as you can see, it's in great shape as well. And the SRT logo in the grille there. Looks great. So we'll just slide around here. Here's your front wheel. So again, looks great. Brembo calipers, Lexani wheels. Looks awesome. And same thing back here. There it is. And here's your chrome fuel door. So that's great, that's there. And over at the driver's side, we've got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, chrome door handle, leather insert with the baseball stitching, and again, the nice Alcantara finish as well. So over here, you've got power passenger seats. You've got power fore, aft, up, down, and recline. And then we've got a manual lumbar adjustment on the side. And I'll just go ahead, I'll scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And let's hop in and fire this one up. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And here we are. There we go. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 24,010 kilometers on it. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. We've got arrow keys over here that control your different items. So we've got performance features and some different track apps that are there. So that's there. And then we've got outside temp, compass. We've got our radio station that's displayed up there as well. And we've got volume control here. We've got a home button and pages button. So again, that flips through the different options that are there as well. On this side here, we've got our automatic headlamps. So if you put it here, that's auto. If we press in, that turns on the fog lights. You've got your trunk release down below. You've got your signal with wiper control. And then we've got our cruise control here, and just behind it is your push button start. So here's your radio. You've got AM, FM, satellite radio. If we hit this, it opens up. You've got CD, DVD in there. We'll close that up. It is Sirius XM ready. And then where's nav? So if we hit this, map, there's your full navigation. So that's all there. And then here's your heating controls. So you've got heat and AC, and then down below we've got heated seats as well. Traction control on off, 4 ways is in the center there. You've got a 12-volt socket, and then here's your 6-speed automatic shifter. So there it is there. And then we've got the illuminated cup holder as well. In the center console, you've got 12-volt socket, and it looks like an iPhone adapter. So there's a multi-function adapter in there. It has a 30-pin iPhone cable with it. You may or may not be able to get an updated cable. However, that is there. Up the top, you've got your 3 universal garage door openers. We've got our sunglass holder, and we've got our power sunroof. So we'll go ahead, we'll open the sunroof. There it is. And we'll close it. Perfect. So let's just hop out with this one running and have a look and a listen. Great sounding machine. Here it is from the front. Looks good. And we'll just scan down the side. What a beast. Here it is from the back. Looks good. And there you have it, folks. 2010 Dodge Challenger SRT8 with a ProCharger on it, here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.